oh baby, Eva. Baby, you too sweet.
Guys, how y'all doing? Happy weekend. Another cook with me video, guys. My name is Eva for those that are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back here. So today's video, I want to show you guys, let's make egusi. I want to show you guys how I make my egusi. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the Ijebu kind of egusi. According to my husband says it's Ijebu way. Yeah, so I have all my recipe here. I have my egusi, I have my onion, my bell pepper, atarodo. This is atarodo. I test them. I have my leaf, bitter leaf. They are all dried out. I'm not using the fresh one. And then I have my meat. I just defrosted those ones. I have a crayfish. I have here my Maggi, and then my salt, and then I also mix the bouillon cube Maggi's. I like Nigerian Maggi. Yeah, and I have my blender with me. Everything I need all on ground. So let's start cooking. Okay guys, next up, let's clean up our egusi. Yeah, let's rinse the egusi out. Next up guys, we're going to blend our pepper, onion, atarodo, and add our egusi to it for blending. So guys, well, next up we're going to dice our onion, which I just did. I've diced my onion. This is locust bean. Call this locust bean iru in Yoruba. And then I've also placed my vegetables that I'll be using in warm water, hot water. Yeah, so let me put my pot on fire with oil. Have my oil out. I have my empty pot on fire. I'm about to put palm oil into it. Alright guys, my pot is dried up. I was waiting for it to get dried. I'm adding my palm oil now. Add our palm oil. Palm oil is thick. So how whether he is. Yeah. So my oil is a bit hot. I'm going to pour in my iru and onion, guys. So my iru and onion is frying already, guys. Have my iru and onion frying. Guys, I'm adding my crayfish right now and bouillon cube Maggi. My bouillon cube Maggi. Guys, next up, our egusi goes in. Yeah, and then you stir, leave it to cook, and then add the meat. My meat is already parboiled. Fish, then I can add stock water. So we have, this is what we have. I'll just cover it up now for it to cook before I add vegetable leaves into it. So guys, this is what we have after leaving it to boil for a while, almost 5 to 10 minutes now. Now I'm adding my fish, my agbodo fish, dried fish, you know, those big bokoto kind of fish. Yeah, I just shredded them, adding them up into our egusi. See how yummy it looks. Can't wait for you guys to taste this. So I'll rinse out my vegetables and also add it now. I'm adding my crayfish as well at this junction, guys. The crayfish is going in. So guys, at this junction also I'm going to be adding my vegetables. I just rinsed out my vegetables. I just put little, I have ziza and bitter leaf mixed here. Now ziza and bitter leaf, guys. I'm not putting in everything because hubby doesn't want so much of these vegetables inside, and that's because bitter leaf can be bitter. Yeah, and the uziza too has a bit of peppery feeling on the tongue, so that's why he doesn't want so much. But I'll just check out, I'll let it cook for a while now and then show you guys what I have. Guys, soup is almost ready. I just added parboiled chicken and pomo. The inside I want them to cook up. Yeah, after like 10 to 15 minutes I'll bring them down. So after like 10 to 15 minutes I'll now turn off the gas. Yeah, so our soup is ready. You can hear I'll be making you can perceive the aroma from here. Yeah guys, so this is what we have so far, and when I'm done I'll show you guys. Yummy, yeah. Someday I'm looking forward to inviting one of my subscribers to come and taste my food. I hope it will be you. If you're watching this channel, stick around, keep watching, because one day you're going to have a feel of all this food that I cook, and you get to pick what you want to eat. Like, you tell me what I should cook and I'll cook it for you. Yeah. All right guys, thanks for watching this far. If you're new on the channel, welcome. Where have you been? I'll always ask you that, but it's okay, you're just discovering the channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit the like button, very important, if you want to get notifications whenever I post. Thank you so much guys. I love you guys, all my returning subscribers. All right, so guys, this is see, our soup is ready after 15 minutes. Choo! Yummy, yeah? So this is how I make my egusi soup, guys. So guys, food is ready. Egusi and poundo. Join us. Join us. Alright, see you guys on another Cook With Me weekend vlog. Cheers. Bye bye.